OnePlus has released a new software update for the OnePlus 10 Pro, bringing the device up to the July 2023 security patch level. The update also includes some performance improvements, making the phone feel snappier and more responsive. The July 2023 security patch includes fixes for over 50 vulnerabilities, including some that could have been exploited to gain unauthorized access to the device. The update also includes fixes for some bugs that were affecting the stability of the phone. In addition to the security and stability improvements, the update also includes some performance improvements. OnePlus says that the update has made the phone feel snappier and more responsive, especially when opening apps and switching between tasks. The update is rolling out to OnePlus 10 Pro users in India and other select regions now. It is expected to be available to users in other regions in the coming weeks. Here are some of the key changes in the update. July 2023 security patch. Performance improvements. Bug fixes. To install the update, go to Settings System Updates. Tap on Check for updates. If the update is available, tap on Download and install. The update is about 500 megabytes in size, so make sure you have enough storage space before you install it. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.